Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a load of dresses from Nasty Gal. Now I recently reviewed some of their jeans and I was really impressed with the styles and fit of some of them, and so I thought I'm going to give their dresses a go. So I got quite a range of styles and fits to show you guys today, just because I want to give you a complete overview of what their dresses are like. So as usual, everything will be linked down below in the order that I tried on for you guys. But that being said, let's get to it. The first dress I'm going to show you guys is this gorgeous kind of forest green satin dress. Now I have such a soft spot for pretty much every shade of green. I don't know why. I wear khaki green, emerald green, and even neon green. Like, I'm just obsessed with it at the moment. So any green dress is pretty much an automatic yes from me currently, but I do think they do this style in a few different colours. But the fit of it looks really nice. It's almost like a fit and flare. So it kind of goes in at the waist and then it's a little bit of a looser skirt. So I'm just going to try this one on so we can see what it looks like. But first glance, it is good because it's got adjustable straps, which I'm always a fan of. I just think it makes dresses so much more versatile for different figures, so I really like that. No stretch, but it looks like it's going to be just kind of like draped over the figure, so it could be a really flattering fit. So let's throw this one on. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it is such an easy fit. Like, I do love it, and I love the colour of it. On a separate note, it goes so perfectly with my labradorite pendant, which just adds to my love for it. But the only thing I would say, the longer I wear it, the more vibe I get that it's kind of like a night dress. And I'm guessing that's because of the satin, but it just kind of has that fit to it. I just kind of feel like it would be so comfortable to wear, and I don't know if it gives me that evening dress vibe. I don't always get this feeling with every satin dress. It's just something about this one. I'm not quite sure what it is. But the actual dress is beautiful to get on. It's got a zip that goes all the way from here to about here. So it's so easy to slip over, you know, it's not hard to wiggle into or anything like that. And I love that it's not too tight, but it's also not too loose. Like, I still think it flatters the figure. It kind of just like drapes over, which I love. And then it's got like a cowl neckline, which is really cute as well. So I think it's a very flattering dress and a beautiful fit. I'm just not sure if I get the vibe that it's like a going out dress. I don't know if I'm just having a funny moment here that just feels a bit like a kind of night dress, but I don't know. Let me know what you think. I love the colour and I love the style. I just think it's the satin that kind of makes me feel like I've just slipped into a night dress. I tried putting heels on as well to jazz it up, and I still just feel like it's a bit of a night dress kind of look. But anyway, that's this one. Moving on to the next dress, I thought I would just do all the greens in one go. I fell in love with this neon green, and I just thought that's such a fun dress. So it's kind of like this halter style bodycon ribbed dress with a zip that goes all the way down, which is really lovely. Now the reason I picked this one up is because it was so cheap. I think it was like £6 or something like that. So they also do it in a bright pink if green isn't your colour, but I just want to see what the fit is like. My first thought is that this is thin. You know, obviously the price would reflect that, but it's just a very thin, very flexible fabric. So I feel like this is not going to be kind to any lumps and bumps. Like, it's going to really hug every curve. So let's just throw it on and see if that's a good thing. Okay, so this is how this one fits, and I love it, but it is one size too small. So I'm wearing the UK size 8, and minus it being incredibly short, it's just a bit too tight everywhere. So the zip itself, like, I zipped it up when it was on me, and it was so hard to get the zip to do up around my hips. And then once it's on, but it's a little bit unforgiving, you know, like it is that kind of clingy fabric. And the neckline, I feel like the collar isn't quite happy. It's like almost too stretched. So I think one size up just might help relax the fabric slightly. But it's super cute. I love the colour. I love the back of it. It's kind of like that halter design. I think it's really sweet. And it just comes in a range of like neon colours, which are so in this summer. So it has potential. It just needs to be a little bit more relaxed. But I do love this ribbed fabric. And even though it's a little bit thin, it's not like see-through or anything like that. So it's workable. So no, I don't mind this one. I just think, yeah, I think one size up will just give me a little bit of breathing room, which might be nice, but no, it's nice. I like it. So the next dress I'm going to show you is this gorgeous ribbed white one. Now, my first thing I want to say about this is it's a ribbed fabric like the green one I'm wearing, but so much thicker. It's just a much heavier and nicer quality rib. So, and it should be because it is white. So I think with white dresses, you need them to be that little bit thicker just because they are that little bit more unforgiving than most. But I loved the style of this dress. It's just kind of like a long sleeve bodycon kind of casual number, but it's got these beautiful brown buttons and I love the ruching. Like this is going to be so flattering on, I think. So it's kind of like a shirt dress, I would say. Just with a little bit of extra tailoring. So I'm just going to throw this one on. Now the fit of this dress is impeccable. The fabric, it's so stretchy and comfortable. I just don't think it's my style. Like as soon as it was on, I was really excited to see what it looks like because it just feels so nice. Like there's no restrictions in the arms, the fabric is thick and it's just beautiful. But I just don't know if it suits me. I don't know if it's just the shirt style or the buttons are too big. There's just something about it that isn't quite me, and it might be the colour as well, but in terms of fit, it is really cute. Extremely short at the back, so the issue with this dress is it's obviously the same length at the front and the back, and if you've got a slight curvature, that uses up more fabric, so it goes shorter at the back for me, but it's workable just about. But I feel like with shirt dresses, you can wear them with like cycling shorts or tights, and then they're really cute. But, I mean, I like it, I'm just not feeling it. I don't know what it is about it. Let me know what you think, but my guess is it's the colour and the button size. I don't know why, it just doesn't quite click with me. But very cute, nonetheless. So the next dress I'm going to show you guys is this gorgeous red number. Now, it's a very simple style. It's just kind of like a bodycon square neck red dress with a nice slit on one leg. Now I think this is meant to be a midi length, so it comes to like the middle of the shins rather than floor length, but I think on me this might, it's probably going to be floor length. But I just thought this would be a lovely option for, you know, just summer days, maybe like a picnic, because I'm starting to like maxi dresses a little bit more, but I still haven't branched into them. So, I mean, this is a versatile dress. You can wear it casually in the summer as a summer dress, or you could wear it as like a wedding guest outfit, graduation outfit. You know, it's got quite a few uses if you dress it up, because I feel like a red dress, it's a red dress. It can be fire casually or fire going out. So let's see what it looks like. It might look too prom dressy, which isn't the vibe I'm going for, but let's just see. So this dress is just a yes in every single category. Like, I just cannot get over how nice the fit is of this. And if you're petite, so I'm 5'5", and it sits kind of just above my heels. So if you're a little bit shorter than me, this is a gorgeous prom dress option. Like, I know I said that I wasn't wanting the prom dress vibe, but if you're a little bit shorter, like this is gonna be gorgeous. Like, the fit is amazing. So you've got the slit, which I'm always here for, and then it just hugs every curve. Like, it is obviously a little bit stretchy, but like the neckline is like tight on the chest, but in the perfect way. So it just gives you a bit of support and really flatters the figure. Like, I am obsessed with just how it feels on. I literally feel like Jessica Rabbit and I'm here for it. Like, I just love this. It hugs so nicely. Like, I feel so feminine in it and I just feel really good. I really recommend this dress. Like, for whatever occasion you're thinking, just get it. Like, you won't regret it. Only thing I would say, it's not the easiest dress to get on. So it doesn't have a zip. So it's literally just it's just a stretchy dress, but not like super stretchy, because it's like a nice stretch. So to wiggle it over my hips was tricky, but doable. You just have to do it slowly so you don't rip it. And then over the head was also a little bit tricky, but once it's on, you don't want to take it off, so it's fine. But nasty gal, if you're watching this, a tiny little zipper, just a tiny little zip, be perfect. But I love this. I love the colour. I just feel fabulous. So yes, this is a yes. The last dress I got is this gorgeous kind of frilly black number. Now, all the dresses you've just seen, they're all kind of like a similar bodycon fit, and I wanted to try one that's a little bit more like summery and floaty, kind of like boho chick vibes, and I just loved the look of this one because of the fabric. But the thing is I love these dresses on other people, but I swear, as soon as I put them on, it looks like I'm wearing a curtain, but it might be fine. It might be fine on. So I'm just literally going to throw this one on because I feel like the fit is everything. If it hugs my waist nicely and I can move in it, I'm more likely to love it a lot more than anything else. But there's no stretch in it whatsoever, so I'm a little bit curious to know if I'm going to be able to move my arms in it, let alone do up the zip. So let's just throw this one on and give it a go. Okay, so I don't actually know where to really begin with this dress. There's quite a few issues. First off, my hands are already losing blood circulation and the sleeves are extremely loose. So the sleeves are lovely. This band here, so it's got like a separate panel of this kind of mesh lace here, it's like suffocating my arm. Like, so it's almost like I'm wearing two really tight hair bands around my elbows. And I guess, obviously you've got two different fabrics here. One is nice and flowy, and then they're like, oh, we'll do a tight band here. There's no stretch in that tight band, so it's a little bit uncomfortable. Then the fit of the dress, I mean, is an extremely plunging neckline. And if you try and move your arms up, like the whole dress is gonna want to come over. And it's got that really tight band here as well. I'm just not feeling it. It's just not comfortable. You know, a stretchy dress goes a long way with me, and I'm just not, yeah. I love the vibe of it. You know, I wanted that kind of boho kind of look, and I think it does that. You know, I love the kind of tiered skirt, but I'm not feeling the fit. You know, if I'm having loose bell arms, I want them to be comfortable loose bell arms, if that makes sense. But anyway, that's how this one fits. I forgot that I also got this dress from Nasty Gal as well, so I thought I would throw it into the haul. I fell in love with the fabric of this dress, and it's kind of like a flowy wrap dress, and I love the sleeves, but it's just a bit shapeless for me. I think this is a top with high-waisted jeans or like white jeans would be so cute, but as a dress, I think it's just a little bit too much fabric for me. Like, I think when I just stand still like this, it's just a bit hidden. But what's nice about it is you wrap it yourself. So you can completely adjust it to your figure, so it's really versatile like that. And I think, I mean, it is really cute, and it's definitely my colours. Like, this fabric is something I would always go for. I'm just not sure on it as a dress. I don't know, let me know what you think. It's so comfortable to wear, and I do really love it. I just think I prefer it as a top, or like a dress with like a belt in the middle, something to break it up. But it's cute. I do like it, so I thought I would share. But that's this one. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe for more if you did, and as usual, everything will be linked down below if you'd like to check any of the items out, along with my social media if you'd like to follow me on there. But thank you again for watching. Overall, it was a hit with Nasty Gal dresses. A few misses, but you know that happens with most things. But I really hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.